Last time on Foxy, no clips into the back rooms.
Oh no, you got wrong! Ah!
Whoosh. Whoosh. I'm just going to walk over here for no real reason. I gotta get down to the bottom of this. And now.
Ow! Ow! My balls! Ow! Oh, where am I? Why is it so yellow in here? Ow! Ah! Get a shoe off me! Why is there shoes in the back room? Ow! What's happening? Ow!
Wait, what is that?
Ow! Ow! What the heck? Chica? You're in here too? Where the heck are we even? What the? Hey, wait! Who is that? Why was she so drunk? What the heck?
I'm going to take a nap.
Wait, if this is the back room, then... Chica, wake up! No! She went to another back room area. No! Hey, she was my only company. I'm gonna be alone for all of eternity until I die. I don't want to be alone forever. Wait. You know there is an escape here. I just gotta go. There's a nail. There's a nail here. Third. Why is the floor red on this area? Where even am I anymore? I think I lost where I'm even going. There's so many weird corridors. Like over here, there's an area. There's some kind of floorboard over here. There's a door right there. Where even am I? Gotta climb up this ladder. Heck, where is this now? Where the heck am I? I'm never going to find my way out of here. Why are there a pair of toes in here? What? Wait, what the? What the? Hey! Did a bucket just no clip in here? From McDonald's? What? I'm so confused. Where even am I? And I feel like this place is familiar.
Meanwhile,
Gotta find a way to get Foxy out of the back rooms. God, if I'm correct, the back rooms. Wait, oh, looks like it is the back rooms, and I mean, we're just having a game night. What even am I? Where am I? What's in this box? There's nothing even in a box. What the heck? A cockroach! Oh, I accidentally killed it. Wait, what the heck was that? Where am I? What am I doing here? Why am I here? What the heck? Wait, Freddy? Wait, Freddy! Are you over there? Freddy? Run! Freddy! Wait, he said run? Wait, why? Oh, I know why. Foxy, run that Foxy, you can. You can't catch me, I'm Fox Man. Yes! Take this! the heck? Oh God, I'm getting out of here. Dirt. What the heck? It's a box. Where even? Ah! Ow! What the? Am I on floor 2? How long is this series going to be? Wait, what the heck? What the? VR Toy Freddy? I just broke my back. Freddy just threw me against my wall. Wait, what? What? Wait, am I back home? Am I back? Pizzeria! Oh my God, I am back home. Hi. Yes! How did I do it? I was on floor 1 and now I'm home. This makes no sense, but I'm going back to my friends. Oh! Am I back home? I thought I died. Oh. Wait. Did I fall asleep again? I feel weird. Going back to bed. Good night, Road.